the guidelines to Jubilee. He was among those people who are drafting.
Yes.
So he said that is a party maybe he has been trying to work on, and he understands it any ni habo kabisa. The mission ni habo understand it how Jubilee is. That's why he said since this house it is not well occupied, he wants now to do it anye paint boronge then people will get in. But apparently it's not about the political party. Yes. But it is about the skills of leadership. That is what we are looking, most of us. In fact, everybody is not going to look on the Jubilee seriously as that. It is who is this we are going to vote. Because now Kenyans are very thirsty on choosing a person who is going to change here from what we are seeing today. Na okachora kwa aba Kenya boneka ebatagete omuntu understand it, their needs amanya kumanyana kiago fix, and the only person who is being given that credible and that credit it is Fred. But apparently if on the Fred yataranya ora chinguru echo chigo chikora, I wish once it gets because everybody in the opposition, I wish once they sit down on a round table nyasa kuna bantu bali once at least endorse a presidential flag bearer from the opposition. Because Jubilee will come, Wiper will come, Eugene, and then we have several parties, Gachagua, they come together. Then from there they'll choose. Once they choose from there, yeah. For now we are seeing candidates, because if you go to Kamba, they're saying Kalonzo. If you go to Kisii, Seita Monto bakwana Matiang'i. Koko genda Boruya ngokwana bali natembea. Understand? Koko genda coast to the leaders. So to buy time. That's why I say omwako yomana 6 months nama tukamange sana. But it means we need also to pull up our socks very seriously. These people will see. And the Fred will be seen naki a manageri ko go pull chikura chia Nyanza. Echibone garutari gereti gotaka kaso.